Hey everyone, my name is Vidhan Agrawal. I had scored a 99.99 percentile in CET 2020, and I have some really exciting news for all the CET aspirants in Mumbai. We are finally coming offline to Ghatkopar for a free seminar on how you can crack MBA CET 2026 in next 4 months. In this session, you'll learn the exact preparation strategy and the roadmap that JBIMS toppers had followed to score a 99.9 plus percentile in CET. We'll talk about how the 4-month strategy should look like for CET 2026, how to balance mocks and concept revision, how JBIMS students managed prep side along with their college and work, and also most importantly, how you can replicate their journey exactly. This isn't just another motivational talk. You'll leave with a complete action plan to start your preparation. This session is absolutely free, guys, and it'll be taken by the JBIMS toppers themselves. The venue is there in the description. It's in Ghatkopar East. It is very close to the station. The date is 27th November and the time is 7 p.m. sharp. Seats are limited, so make sure that you register for the seminar. The link is there in the description. And once you fill the form, you'll also get a confirmation message. At the top percentile, guys, our mentors are JBIMS mentors and CET toppers. So you'll be learning directly from the people who have done it before. No guesswork, no generic advice, just a clear strategy that's worked for 100 of students. Guys, if you're serious about JBIMS and serious about cracking CET 26, this seminar is for you. Click on the Google form below and register now. I'm repeating that it's in Ghatkopar and it'll be at 7 p.m. sharp on 27th November. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video.